Recently, I had the opportunity to participate in the Tampa Police Department Motor Unit's Tampa S.M.A.R.T course. The class is a 2-day class, and this video highlights Day 1. Day 1 is divided into basic riding skills, slow maneuver drills, crash avoidance drills, and street survival skills. The first section focused on basic riding skills, which included posture, picking up a downed motorcycle, friction zone exercise, figure eights, slow ride, and accelerated U-turns. Next, we moved on to slow maneuver drills, which included the serpentine, offset, intersection, lane change, 90-degree pull-out, snowman, keyhole, and U-turns. Obstacle maneuver, brake and escape, evasive maneuver, 30-mile-per-hour cone weaves, and crossing an obstacle. These help us to develop skills that could be life-saving out on the road. Street survival skills was our last section of the day. Splitting the lane, formations, offsetting, changing lanes, merging, hand signals, and curve negotiation. These were skills that we had the opportunity to use during our practical application, the road ride, which would be Day 2. another video, What to Expect, Tampa S.M.A.R.T course, Safe Motorcycle and Rider Techniques, Day 2, where I highlight our ride with the Tampa Police Department motor unit.